Hello everyone and welcome back to part 2 of the Transporter series. Today we've got quite a lot of work to do, so this is what we've got so far. We've got the, I don't know what that is actually, but that is important, I know that. And then here we've got the oil bung and the O-ring for the water pump, because that is where the water leak's coming from. And then we've got a new gasket there for either the oil or water leak. Then we've got some antifreeze, so we're going to be changing that. And we've got a bottle of oil. Okay, let's see if we can get this thing off without losing every ounce of oil in there. This is such an awkward angle. Hopefully you can see that there. Okay, we've got it off. Now to fit the new one. Right, that's how it's going back in, so let's do that now. Right, time to go back in. Oh, take 2. It's quite an awkward position to get into when you're trying to do these. Ideally we would have lifted it, but there it goes again. Oh, and again. Yeah, ideally we would have lifted this, but we thought it'd be easier just to leave it on the ground, to be honest. Well, there you go. As you can see, springs going in now. And the new bung and the new washer. That ring thing was a washer, by the way, that I showed you at the start of the video. So yeah, on it goes. Okay, that's that back on. Hopefully that's the oil leak sorted. If not, we will be very, very angry. Yeah, we don't have a funnel, so we're gonna have to go and get one, so yeah. Funnel acquired. Thank you, Grandad. Right, let's get this oil in then. There we go, I'll let that go in. More. There we go. This is a very slow process because it's at such a weird angle. I'll keep that going constant like that. I think we may need the whole bottle for this one, seeing as there was no oil that came out the bottom at all. So yeah, hopefully we have enough in this one. Okay, that's all of it, I think. Let's check the levels. Don't know if you can see that, but I think we are just spot on, so that's perfect. Yeah, but I think hopefully that's the oil leak sorted. See that pipe? That's what we're trying to get to now for the water leak. So we've got to take that off so it moves, so we can take that off, and then we can take those pulleys off to get to the pipe. It's a lot of work, but worth it in the end, I hope. Okay, got to take this bolt off so we can get that to move, sorry, and then we can take the pulleys off. There we go, belt's off. If I can, oh, I can't get it out because it's stuck on the oil thing. I'm just trying. There we go, and now we have a belt. Taking the pulley off now. And off it comes. Finally. There we go. There's your pulley. Okay, now we're taking the screws off of the pipe. If you can see that, I think you can. There you go. We've got 2 of them to take off, and then we've got to replace the gasket in there. Got the gasket off. As you can see, it's in pretty bad shape, so hopefully the new one will stop the leaks. There you are. Okay, here's the new gasket. Just trying to get the gasket sealer on now so it doesn't leak and it stays on. If the camera wants to focus, there we go. This hopefully should stop the water leaks. Also, there wasn't much water that came out of it when we took the old one off, so that's a good sign, I think. Anyway, nearly done now. Just getting the last few bits on there. The camera's being really irritating because I'm really close. There we go. New gasket's on. You can probably see that little white layer there. Just got to tighten the bolts up now, and hopefully that's everything sorted. That was the most awkward job in the world, and I wasn't even the one doing it, so yeah. All tightened up now. Got to put the belt back on and readjust that, and then we may try and start it, see if it's all worked. And there's the water pump pulley back on. Now for the belt, and that's it, I think. And there we go, the belt is back on, and we've retightened that, so it's just enough play apparently, so it's all good. Let's see if it will all work. Oh yeah, I also forgot, got to put the antifreeze in here, so yep, let's pour that now. Let me know when to stop, yeah?
Just hold it at that and let's have a check.
Yep. Let's keep going. Just a bit more. Well, I'm nearly at the end of the bottle now, so I might as well just put it in. But there we go. So I don't know if I told you that it was overheated or not, but this had no water in it whatsoever. And there's the temperature sensor, which makes the grill light flash, the dashboard light flash, sorry. So maybe it's not even overheating, there's just no water in it. If so, that's really stupid and really easy, and I'm glad that that's the case. If it is, we filled it up with some water as well because we didn't have enough antifreeze, but now we are full of antifreeze and water, so yeah. Okay, moment of truth, let's see if it works. Yeah. Come on. Hey! And I believe there's nothing there. And I've just been told the dashboard light is off. So there's the overheating problem sorted. Awesome. Choke's off now, so it's running smooth. Bung's dry, no oil. Amazing. And that water pipe's not leaking. Yep, well, we've checked everything and everything's fine really, so yeah, that's quite an easy fix to what could have been a very big problem, so I am very happy about that. So yeah, that's it for this video, I think. Hope you all enjoyed, and as usual, I will see you in the next one.